Another thing that I'm doing is I'm really taking my time and putting all these clips back into their proper spot where they belong. Is I know a lot of these people don't think this is important, but I like doing this. It keeps everything like factory and it just leaves the quality up there, right? So when you're working on a car, you don't want all these wires dangling around. So I'm just really taking my time making sure that all the brackets go on properly and all the clips go on properly, because this is really important, because like when you're driving really fast, you're maneuvering, cornering, all that makes a difference, right? So all the wires got to stay in place properly. So just taking my time and doing that as well. It's just to have good quality work. Driving the car around my shop just to make sure that nothing leaks. If anything is overheating, I put some coolant in it, just enough to see if anything leaks. So I'm just going to take it around a few times. Just want to make sure that before I put the bumper on and all the other body panels on, that everything is good and I don't have to open anything up after. So I'm just going to go back and forth and just going to get it up to temperature. If everything passes, then I'm going to go ahead and just put everything back together. So let's see how it does. So the car drove without any issues. I don't think that there's going to be any problems on it now. I'm going to lift it up just to make sure there's no leaks, there's no coolant leaks and everything like that. And then I'm just going to start putting everything back together, all the body panels, bumper, and all the trims and everything like that. Give it a good cleanup. And I think it's pure assembly time now. Just want to put everything back together and just get the car done.